Hello, I'm Dylan Bedortha and I'm the Northwest rep for Sontek. I'm here in beautiful, sunny Northeast Oregon on something you may be familiar with, a concrete-lined trapezoidal canal. If you're a farmer or an irrigator and you're looking for a budget-friendly flow measurement system, we may have a few ideas for you. Whether that's to replace outdated equipment or revamp your irrigation process. Some irrigators and farmers make crop water decisions with guesswork, imitation of their neighbors, or the way that it's always been done. With an emphasis for conservation and control of water, irrigators and farmers cannot risk inaccurate measurements. Inaccurate deferred measurement can lead to lost water, over or under irrigation, or at worst, compromised crop yield. And finally, you need to be confident about your data because it involves the safety of people and property. Open channel methods typically rely on weirs, flumes, and orifices installed in the channel. Included with these structures are staff gauges to determine water depth. However, water level data, even if calibrated, is often not good enough. This can be true whether the channel is earthen or concrete, lined or not. Irrigation and farming sites are complex. There could be backwater, effects from pumping stations, and quickly changing depths and flows. Accuracy needs are very high, especially when you're controlling gates, billing, or doing regulatory and legal reporting. Using inaccurate data for these kinds of decisions can lead to increased costs and loss of productivity. Sites like these require an actual measurement of the water velocity in order to get an accurate measurement of the water discharge. Fixed-mounted instruments such as the sontek-iq or the sontek-sl are the right tool for this job. The sontek-iq can be mounted to the bottom of a channel. It's unlike any other fixed-mounted sensor. Using its acoustic vertical beam for depth, it monitors water velocity data in the face of changing water levels, and it expertly handles complex flow conditions with multiple acoustic beams. Most other instruments have only one or two beams, which does not offer the same coverage and precision. The IQ expertly navigates complex flow conditions using our Smart Pulse technology to accommodate evaporation, seepage, reversing flow, and unusual channel shapes and conditions. The sontek-iq comes in 3 different models: standard, plus, or pipe variation, perfect for any flow condition or site. Sometimes it's preferable to mount a velocity sensor on the side of the channel, such as this sontek-sl. Although these sensors don't handle changing water levels quite as well, they are great options because they are easy to use when sediment and vegetation might obstruct bottom-mounted sensors. Side-looking sensors avoid sedimentation to begin with, but when they do need to be cleaned or accessed, it requires no divers or operational outages. Well, there you have it. We went through a quick summary of the options that you have to improve the irrigation network with regards to flow measurement. Again, reach out to us anytime if you have any questions with your unique site or application. Once again, I'm Dylan Bedortha with Sontek, and thanks for watching.